Tired of streaky windows and endless wiping? In this video, we're revealing the smartest window cleaning robots of 2025 that take the hassle out of glass cleaning. From high-rise solutions to compact powerhouses, these devices are changing the way we clean, automatically. Let's dive in and find out which one deserves a spot in your home. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, PuRuiKai N361 Robot Window Cleaner. The PuRuiKai N361, an ultra-thin robot vacuum cleaner designed specifically for window cleaning. This smart device combines modern technology with efficient design, making home maintenance easier than ever. With a sleek, compact build, it navigates tight spaces and glides smoothly across glass surfaces. The 5-meter power cord ensures wide coverage without constant repositioning. Whether you're cleaning high-rise windows or indoor glass panels, this device handles the job with precision. Powered by less than 800 watts, it's energy-efficient yet strong. It supports a voltage range of 110V to 240V, so it's versatile for use in various locations. Controlled by remote, the N361 offers hands-free convenience and consistent performance. For anyone looking to save time and effort, this window cleaning robot is a game-changer. Fourth product on our list, CHOVERY CL1 Robot Window Cleaner. The CHOVERY CL1 Robot Window Cleaner, a revolutionary way to keep your windows spotless. This electric glass cleaner is designed for effortless cleaning, powered by a remote control for ultimate convenience. With a 5-meter power cord, it can easily cover large window surfaces without needing constant adjustments. The device operates on less than 800 watts, making it energy efficient while delivering powerful results. It supports a voltage range from 110V to 240V, ensuring compatibility worldwide. The CHOVERY CL1 features an emergency power supply system, offering extra peace of mind. Its compact size, 300 by 150 by 120 millimeters, makes it easy to store, while the durable mixing material guarantees long-lasting use. Whether for home or office windows, the CHOVERY Robot Window Cleaner makes cleaning quick and easy. Experience hands-free window care with smart technology and efficiency. Third product on our list, Liectroux YW810 Window Cleaning Robot. The Liectroux YW810 Window Cleaning Robot, designed to make window cleaning effortless and efficient. This advanced robot features dual water spray nozzles and a 70 milliliters water tank for superior cleaning performance. With 3 cleaning modes, auto, along the left edge and right edge, it adapts to your needs. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers a suction power of 2800 PA, ensuring a deep, streak-free clean. Its smart memory and gyro navigation system allow it to intelligently map your windows, enhancing cleaning efficiency. The anti-fall UPS system prevents accidents, providing peace of mind. The robot operates quietly, with noise levels under 60 dB, and is powered by a 500 mAh battery. With a compact design of 295 by 145 by 82 millimeters, it's perfect for homes, offices, or high-rise buildings, making window cleaning a breeze. Second product on our list, ABIR WD8 Window Cleaner Robot. The ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner, designed for effortless glass cleaning. Equipped with dual water spray, it ensures a streak-free finish every time. The robot offers 4 cleaning modes, N, Z, N+Z, and fixed-point cleaning, making it perfect for all types of windows. With a suction power of 3000 PA and brushless motor, it delivers a deep clean while operating quietly, with noise levels under 65 dB. The smart memory feature and edge detection system ensure efficient, thorough cleaning, while the anti-fall UPS system provides safety. The ABIR WD8 can be controlled via remote or app, offering convenience. Its 650 mAh battery provides up to 40 minutes of backup in case of power failure. Compact and lightweight, this robot's high performance and user-friendly design make it a must-have for every home or office. First product on our list, Liectroux YW509 Smart Window Cleaner. The Liectroux YW509 Window Cleaning Robot is designed for smarter, easier glass cleaning. With dual water spray, it effectively removes dirt and grime, leaving your windows spotless. It's perfect for glass, walls, and even floors. Equipped with a laser sensor and smart navigation system, the YW509 maps surfaces accurately for efficient cleaning. Its strong suction ensures stable performance, while the 500 mAh battery provides solid backup support during power interruptions. This robot runs on 24-volt working voltage and delivers consistent, safe cleaning with every use. Despite its power, it operates smoothly and quietly, making it suitable for home or office environments. Simple to use, the YW509 adds modern convenience to daily chores. Its compact design and intelligent features make it a top choice for hands-free window maintenance. Experience high-tech cleaning with the Liectroux YW509.